Hey everybody, it's Brent, Central Arkansas. We're going to do another grow. I've got some pre-measured sunflower seeds here that I vacuum sealed. 400 grams, what it should be. It's 14.75 ounces. Let's double check the grams. It's 419 with the package. It's 400 grams I measured before I put it in the package. So in actuality, it's about 14.5 ounces roughly. We're going to soak for a total of 12 hours. The first 10 hours are going to be in warm water, started in warm water. And the final 2 hours I'm going to do mild bleach sanitization soak. We have the seed spread out. We'll spray it with the basic antifungal now. Sunnies are looking pretty good. Looks like some good germination. Getting pretty good size. I'll go over the top here and just kind of give you an overlook of it. They're really aggressive growers. The light needs to hit them and strengthen them up. You can see some are flopping over here, but the light will take care of that. It's time to harvest. These sunflowers are getting pretty out of control here. Alright everybody, I'm going to cut the roots so we can start pulling it apart like I did here. And I'm going to harvest these the same way I did the peas. But we need to clean the root mat off so they'll release easier. Alright. Take them out in bunches. Cut off the roots. Shake. I don't care if I lose some of the smaller ones. We're going to put them in here. Sometimes they get upside down because of the way they're grabbed. That's a good one. Don't want to lose that one. So yeah, I'm going to speed you up, guys. You can get after this. Alright everybody, this is the last little bit. Cleans out the seed pretty good doing it this way. Get pretty clean product. Of course I'd still recommend rinsing them. Oh man, that's a lot. Okay, so let me do this first. I just want to show you what the tray looks like. Hopefully you can see it. It's getting kind of dark. There is no issue, zero issue. No mold, no disease, clean smelling, beautiful harvest. Just wanted you guys to know. I can imagine if I were you and I would think the same thing. That growing something this dense, there's definitely got to be a drawback. All right, everybody, I'm going to clean this up and we'll get a weight on it. All right, let's get a weight. I'm going to transfer all the Sunnies from here, this 1020 tray to this tub here to make it a little easier to weigh. But before we do that, I need to get a weight on that. So let me turn on the scale. I said microphone. Put this on it. We're going to put the tub on it. And we're going to zero it out. Alright, now I'm going to transfer all of these microgreens into this tub. I had a fan on these for a long time, about 30 minutes, because I didn't want any water weight affecting it, but the tray is a little damp still. I just wanted you to know that. Alright, so now you should be able to see this, but let me turn it around. There we go, and I will put this on top and we'll see what kind of weight we got. Cabinet's in the way, let me move it over a little bit. Okay. You see that? 2,337 grams. That's 82.45 ounces. 5.152 pounds. I think that's the heaviest grow I've ever had. It was sunflowers. Peas was real close to this too. Anyway, let me do a taste test. And then I'm going to take these outside and weigh them on the other scale too. Just because I don't know if my new scale weighs the same as the old one. So alright, you can see that the micros are pretty long. That's they're probably about 7 inches long. Alright, let me do one. Let's see. Everybody knows what sunflower microgreens taste like, don't they? These are my favorite for a reason. They're awesome. Okay. One thing you might wonder is it the same tender all the way up the stem, all the way to the cotyledons? And the answer is yes, it is. Oh man, these are so good. Okay. I'll take you outside for a final weigh. That is a maxed out Walmart bag. I'll kind of let you look at it here because I don't want somebody to think that I'm not being honest with my weight here. So you can kind of see through the bag. Nothing there. So this is my older scale. And let's turn that bad boy on. And I've got a rack here in the way, so I'm going to do my best to get it on there. It's right now it's in pounds. Alright, sorry for the camera work. Okay. Well, it says, and it's locked on 5.16. I guess I'll find out in editing if it's the same. So it's locked, so me messing with it won't mess with anything with this particular scale. Let's change it to, I don't know what gen is, but ounces is 82.5, kilograms 2.34, back to pounds. Alright, I think they're pretty close, so that's a pretty good legitimate weight. This is Brent, you guys. We'll see you later.